Today, I'm in Breckenridge, having the time of my life with my family, with other families, all around, people having a great time. I'm extremely happy. When I think about why am I here in Breckenridge, how did I get here? Grew up in a very small town in Jamaica, Buff Bay. Came to this country, went to the best Ivy League schools. 2 diplomas from Columbia University, 4 diplomas from Harvard. I'm an orthopedic spine surgeon, a businessman. Managing director of KICVentures, portfolio over $1 billion. Can go on and on. Why am I telling you this? Because I think I have something for you. Something I think you can use in your life to help you reach high levels of fulfillment. Here is what that is. I think most successful people, and you can be one of them, make one very critical decision. That decision is to be good at one thing. I'm not talking about talents or skill, just to pursue one desire. One desire. I look at Bill Gates. He had a desire for the personal computer. So he left Harvard University in his 3rd year, didn't even wait to finish, and pursue that. As a result, he became one of the most successful businessmen ever, richest man in the world today. He focused his desire on computers. And Microsoft today can do other things, but that was his desire. Look at other people like that, and you'll notice the same trend. They pick a desire to do something, and they're going to stick to that. Now, your desire doesn't have to be about making money, but it should be one thing that you want to pursue unrelentingly. Something you're going to be unwavering about pursuing. You're going to then develop yourself and everything around you to allow you to be successful at achieving that desire. Mother Teresa, she wanted to help people in the world. So she had to work on herself, her spirituality. She had to go out there and help people every day. That's what she wanted to do, and she stuck to it. If you want to be something in your life, pick one thing. If you try to become too many things, you're trying to pursue too many things. Now, how did I apply that to my life? I wanted one thing more than anything else in my life. That was financial freedom. I grew up so poor in Jamaica that I wanted to get to the point where financial freedom was something I wanted to achieve. Everything else I did, every day I woke up, it was to pursue that. That's why I look at working out so I'm fit. Because if you're going to pursue financial freedom, you're going to keep rising to other levels. You have to get up every morning and grind and try to pursue unrelentingly your success, and you take a physical toll. You have to pursue good habits. So for me, when I decided to become a surgeon, I knew that would give me my first level of financial freedom. But you need to get to different levels. There are different levels. There are levels of wealth, where you have assets that have value, and then there are levels of prosperity, where you have a pipeline of cash coming in. You can live on that. And chances are you're always going to have that. So I'm trying to get to that level of prosperity that I can't imagine a time when I would ever go back to not having financial freedom. Because I know this, I work on everything in my life, every day, trying to learn from other people, trying to work on my knowledge, trying to be a better person so I can get along with people. So everything I do is centered around how do I achieve financial freedom. And so you start developing the habits. You're so focused on that. Now, let's say you're very poor right now. You're living in a desperate situation. Just starting today, pick one desire that you want and start working on getting that desire. Focus on it. Dedicate every aspect of your life to pursuing that. You know, there's some people out there who are making millions and millions just because they can make a good cookie. They started out maybe as a housewife making a good cookie. Then they decide, you know what? This is what I want to do. And they just focus on that and dedicate themselves to that. Right? There are people who out there are just, every day they have a reason to get up because they have this one desire. The people who run into trouble are the people who don't have that. They never made that decision. So then they have to fill their life with short-term, what I call candy desires. It may be drugs, it may be alcohol, it may be just all these vices that today they feel fulfilled. But give them tomorrow or next week or next month, they're looking for something else. They're all over the place. You want to be in one lane, one path, pursuing that desire all your life. And all the other things around that pursuit are to make you better at getting to your desire. You're going to work on things. Don't be that person that's trying to be good at every single thing that's out there without understanding that if you just spread yourself thin and you don't have that one desire that you want, that's not a formula for success. Look around and learn from other people who have had great success, and you see that one pursuit. They had one basket that they wanted to fill, and they put everything they had into that. Right? So I'm here today in Breckenridge with my family, enjoying my life, having a good time, because I know I have the financial means to do that. And I want to spend time with my family, enjoy life. So when you have that desire, you stick to it, and you'll find that life is fulfilling.